What's up guys, it's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons and welcome back to another week, another lesson, another easy one. It's the last Greenday one for a bit. It's an easy Greenday one, it's a very popular Greenday one. So if you guys are new, click subscribe, hit the notification bell to not miss any future songs happening on this channel. Stick around, we're going to learn this song right now. So guys, as always, I'm going to show you the chords you're going to need to know to learn to play Greenday, Good Riddance, Time of Your Life. So, the first chord is the chord G. We're still going to zoom in and take it step by step. This is just a run through, a recap of all the chords. So, the first one is the chord G. Now the second one is C add 9. All you've got to do is take the chord G, the same finger positions with finger number 1 and 2, and just move them one string down. So G, then take finger number 2, move it to string number 5, finger number 1 moves down to string number 4, and play it from 5 to 1. So that is C add 9. So it's G, C add 9, and then just a normal D. So you've got G, C add 9, and D. And then you're going to go to E minor, and then D, and then C, and then G. Now with this song you want to play the chord G with fingers number 3 and number 4 both on the neck, on fret number 3. So that's a chord you're going to need to know. It's chord G, it's chord C add 9, that's the new one, the chord D, and then the chord E minor, the chord D, the chord C, and the chord G with both fingers number 3 and number 4. So let's zoom in, let's take it step by step, let's take it slow. Greenday, Good Riddance, Time of Your Life. So let's quickly go through the chords again. You've got the chord G, you've got the chord C add 9. As I said, it's just like the chord G, the same finger pattern, just move it down one string. That is C add 9. And then you've got the chord D. So that's the 3 chords you're going to use for the intro and the verse. So it's G, C add 9, and you've got the chord D. Now, if you want to sound a bit more like the album, when you start the intro, you want to avoid the high E. So you just avoid it, just don't play it. But if you do, it's not the end of the world, it will still sound good. So with the high E, it sounds like something like this. So that's with the high E. Still sounds good, but without the high E, a bit more like the album. Just avoid the high E. That is avoiding the high E. Still sounds good, still sounds great. So that is the intro. So let's go through it once more, a bit slower. So start off with the chord G. Then C add 9 and D. G. C add 9 and D. That is the intro. Let's go through it once more. The normal tempo. 4, 3, 2, G, C add 9 and D. G, C add 9 and D. So that is the intro. So right after the intro, you're going to get into the verse. And it's the exact same chords. It's also G, C add 9 and D. Once again, if you want to sound a bit more like the album, avoid the E. C add 9 and D. G, 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 C add 9 and D. So that is the first part of the verse. So let's go through it once more, but slowly. So you're getting out of the intro and you go G, C add 9 and D. G, 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 C add 9 and D. G, 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 C add 9 and D. G, 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 C add 9 and D. And now for the second part of the verse, you've got E minor, you've got the chord D, you've got the chord C, and the chord G. And you go something like this. C and G, E minor and D, and C and G. So let's play the first part together with the second part. So you've got G, 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 C add 9 and D. G, 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 C add 9 and G. D, sorry guys, that's D. Now I've got E minor and D and C and G and E minor and D and C and G. Now the third part, you're gonna play E minor and G, E minor and G, E minor, D and intro. So let's go through the whole verse slowly. So I've got G, C add 9 and D. We've got G, 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 C add 9 and D, E minor, D and C and G, E minor, D and C and G, and E minor, G, E minor, G, E minor, D and intro. So once more slowly and then the normal tempo. So let's start from the G chord in the verse. 4, 3, 2, G, 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 C add 9 and D, G, 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 C add 9 and D, and E minor, D, to C and G, and E minor, D, and C and G. G, E minor, G, E minor, D, and G for the intro. So let's go through the verse once more, normal tempo at 4, 3, 2, 1, and G. C at 9 and D, G, 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 C at 9, D, E minor, D, and C, and G, E minor, D, and C, and G, and E minor, G, and E minor, G, E minor, C, and G for the intro. And that is the verse, guys, with the chorus, the intro, the whole song. Played along with it. It's easy enough to pick it up. And that is the lesson for this week, guys. That was Greenday with Good Riddance. Or as most people know it, Time of Your Life. It's a great song. It's a great band. It's an awesome track to play along with the album. It's a great song to get you to learn a bit more. So, as always, click subscribe, hit the notification bell, join us on Facebook, and also join us on Instagram for some bonus tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next week.